So I just got a place here where they sell coffee. So I just want to take coffee. Then after coffee, I go look for a bus. Then head over to Addis. So waiting for that Buna. It's called Buna coffee here in Ethiopia. Ethiopia has actually got the best, the best coffee in the whole world. So let it come. Then where is it? Buna, bring. Yup. So I'm just telling her to bring. Hey, communication is very hard here in Ethiopia because I don't know. The only Amharic word I know is salam. That's all. And then, interacting with locals here is very hard. And this is Hawassa. Sir? Yeah. I'm just saying yeah, and I don't know what she has actually meant. And that's the small. Cool. Their sugar looks like salt. Yo, let me try and put it in my hand and see. No, I actually thought it was salt, but it's sugar. So let's take coffee, then get out of this city. Bring. She's even afraid. Ethiopian girl serves me coffee. Coming? Okay. Wow. Oh, it's getting hot. Okay. So I was actually wondering why it was taking so long, but she's just trying to add some more heat on it. So it's coming home. Yup. Beer, how much? Beer, how much? How much is this? 10 beer, 20 beer, 5 beer. 10 beer. Okay, cool. Now this awesome amazing coffee is 10 beer. 10 beer is like 25 kind of shillings, so let's give it a go. Very good. Though it's very conk. Yup. Hawassa, Addis Ababa, beer, how much? Hawassa to Addis Ababa, beer, how much? Beer, 200. Hawassa, bus, by bus, transport, Hawassa to Addis Ababa. very conk. It actually has that, you know, that confidence in your mouth. Very good coffee. I've just never had coffee like this in Kenya, but awesome. They're actually laughing at me. Come on. Again, another thing I've realized, donkeys are being used so much. I don't know if you can see in front there. Donkeys are being used so much as means of public transport. Not like transport, but transporting goods, stuff like that, around this city of Hawassa. It's very good. 10. So that is like 10 birr. Let's go. Thank you so much. So I'm out here, you know, cleaning my shoes. It's been so long since I actually, you know, washed these shoes. Since I actually started traveling, I haven't washed my shoes. They've been very dirty. And yeah, it's just 10 birr, so no harm in that. Hawassa Addis Ababa birr transport, how much?
Hawassa Addis Ababa transport.
Yeah.
1,000.
1,000.
1,000 for 20 birr.
200 birr. 100 birr. My shoes have never been clean in the streets, but it is what it is. First time, there's always first time for everything. I just love how some people here in Hawassa are very kind. Like, I was at the pool, I was at the coffee, and people are just, you know, kind to me. But I've actually met some people who are actually tough-headed, but you never know what you're actually going to get when you travel. So yeah, cool. Another one. At least we are going to the city with clean shoes. Yep. Awesome. I think I'll also give him some tip. So yeah. Thank you so much.
Yes, sure.
Good clean shoes now.